today's lesson on addition with regrouping. We're going to be diving into a crucial concept called carrying, and we are going to be talking about what this regrouping word means. Being able to carry and being able to regroup is what is going to allow us to add large numbers confidently and accurately. So let's get started. So I want you to imagine that you have two numbers like 47 and 38. And you want to add these two numbers together. Well, let's break down that process step by step. So the first place you're going to start is in the rightmost column. So this is the rightmost column. We would call this the ones place. That's the one place, okay? So let's add the one place. So let's add 7 plus 8. And what do we get? Well, we get 15. But there's a catch here, okay? The ones place can only hold values 0 through 9, okay? It cannot hold values larger than that. I want you to think about this. Imagine we had two buckets. So there's bucket 1, and here's bucket 2, okay? This bucket is the ones place. This bucket is the tens place, okay? Remember, this bucket can only hold numbers 0 through 9. If you try to put a value in there which is greater than 9, okay, this bucket starts to overflow. Imagine this is overflow. It starts spilling out of the bucket, okay? Well, with all of that overflow, we have to do something with it, okay? Well, the thing we do is we carry it, okay? We're going to carry it to the tens place. So if we have a number like 15, like we do in our addition problem, in the ones place, okay? Well, this is bigger than any number 0 through 9, so we're going to have some overflow. We are going to have to carry it to the next place value or the next bucket. So how we're going to do that is we are going to put our 5 here, okay? Because remember, let's think about 15. 15 is really 10 and 5. So we're going to put our 5 here because 5 is between 0 and 9. And we are going to carry our 1 to the tens place now, okay, to avoid this overflow from happening, okay? So in our example, since 15 is greater than 9, we need to carry our 1 in the tens place. So we're going to try this again. Okay, we're going to say, well, what is 7 plus 8? Well, 7 plus 8 is 15. But instead of writing 15, we're going to do what we did here. We're going to put our 5, okay, our 5 ones, and then we are going to carry the 1 to the next column, or carry the overflow, or carry the excess to the next column, okay? Now, we look to the next place value, okay? So we move over, and we add now the tens place, okay? So we started in the ones. We always start on the right-hand side, and we move this way. So now we're in the tens place. Well, what is 4 plus 3? 4 plus 3 is 7. Don't forget this 1 that we carried. 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 1 is 8. Okay, so 47 plus 38 gives us a sum of 85. And for the most part, there you have it. Okay, carrying over helps us accurately represent large numbers in addition. It's like moving from one place to the next in our number system, but we need to do a couple practice problems. We have to make sure that we can do this repeatedly and accurately. So we're going to do that with a couple problems here. So let's label these problem 1, problem 2 and problem 3. Okay, and we said when adding, we move place values right to left. Okay, so that's going to mean we go this way. Okay, we start in the ones, then we go to the tens, then we go to the hundreds, etc., etc. So let's do that. Okay, and let's remember, we can only put digits 0 through 9 in any of our place values. Okay, so let me get a new color here. Let's do green. So we're going to start, and let's maybe if we kind of break this up, we can see. There we go. So we're going to start, once again, in our ones place. 6 plus 5 is 11. Okay, well, 11 is greater than 9, so we have to put our 1 down and carry our 1 to our next place value. Okay, you can actually see this one and this one make 11, because this one is really a 10. Okay, it's really a 10. So what is 7 plus 1? That is 8. What is 8 plus 5? That is 13. Okay? But we just made an error, so let's do it like we were doing. Let's do it again, because we had a number here bigger than 9. So let's do it again. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. So I'm going to put my 3 down, and then we don't have a hundredths place, but we can imagine there's one. We can imagine we have another place value right here. Okay, it's got a little imaginary 0 in it. We're going to carry our 1 again above our hundredths place. 1 plus nothing, well, that's just 1. So 76 plus 55 is 131. Let's do another one. Let's go a little bit quicker this time. 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. I'm going to put down my 2, and I'm going to carry my 1. 8 plus 3 is 11. Plus 1 is 12. Okay? Plus 1 is 12. So once again, I'm going to put down my 12, or my 2, and carry my 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 238 plus 84 is 322. And let's do our last problem. 9 plus 2, that's 11. So I'm going to put down my 1 and carry my 1. Okay, 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. I'm going to put down my 2, carry my 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. I'm going to put down my 2. We don't have a thousandths place, but we can put one. Okay, we can imagine there's this little 0 here. Okay, and we're going to add our 1 to the thousandths place. Let me squeeze it in there. 1 plus 0, well, that's just 1. So 789 plus 432 is 1,221. Okay. Practice this method with different numbers, and soon you will master the art of carrying and regrouping in addition. Okay? Stay tuned for more math adventures, and happy learning. See you in the next video.